Hi and welcome to another Type With Me. In today's video I want to talk about how to create a storybook for Angular to do form validation. So bear with me, I will show you how to do this. So if you want to do form validation, you can do it like this. You can do render args control equals new control flow, a form control with validator of validators.email and validator.required is also in here. Then you do control.set errors, you force it to true, you mark as touched, and you mark as dirty. And then here you have your form field, your email, your control to the required, and then the met error invalid email, right? That's basically it. So you can very easily render the error state added in that case. So if we then go, you see here that we have error state, right? If here invalid email has been rendered right here. And so you have directly the invalid email state of an input field. So I hope this helps you. I hope you have learned something from it. I think it's great to enforce these invalid states of an email address in your storybook. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one.